Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Andy from AI Unveiled, and today we're talking about the best skills you should learn in 2024 to take your career to the next level. Entry 2024 is almost here, and that means it's time to prepare for the future of work. The world is constantly changing, and the skills that are in demand today may not be as relevant tomorrow. That's why it's important to think ahead and acquire the skills that will be most needed in the future. In this video, I introduce you to 10 skills that will bring you many benefits in 2024 and beyond. The top 10 skills. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. AI and ML are the future of technology and will find their way into all areas of our lives. If you learn these skills, you will be well equipped for the future. AI and ML are not only relevant for tech companies, but for all industries. AI and ML can be used to automate processes, reduce costs, and develop new products and services. There are many different ways to learn AI and ML, such as online courses, boot camps, and master's programs. Even without in-depth technical knowledge, you can familiarize yourself with the basics of AI and ML. Getting started with AI and ML can be done with simple tasks, such as data collection and preparation. 2. Cloud computing. The cloud is the new norm for IT infrastructure. If you know your way around cloud computing, you'll be needed in every company. Cloud computing offers many advantages, for example, scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Companies of all sizes use cloud computing to operate their IT infrastructure. There are various cloud providers, for example, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. The demand for cloud experts is high and will continue to rise in the coming years. With a cloud certification, you can prove your skills and improve your career opportunities. 3. Data science and big data analytics. Data is the new raw material of the economy. If you learn how to collect, analyze, and interpret data, you can gain valuable insights for companies. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that includes statistics, computer science, and mathematics. Big data analytics is the application of data science to large amounts of data. Data scientists and big data analysts are in demand in all industries, such as finance, healthcare, and retail. Data science and big data analytics can be used to make informed decisions and gain a competitive advantage. There are many different tools and techniques for data science and big data analytics. 4. Cybersecurity. The digital world is full of dangers. If you know about cybersecurity, you can protect companies and individuals from hackers and other threats. Cybersecurity is an important topic for companies and individuals alike. Hacker attacks can lead to financial damage, data loss, and identity theft. There are several ways to learn cybersecurity, for example, online courses, boot camps, and certification programs. Cybersecurity experts are in demand in all industries, for example, IT, finance, and healthcare. With a cybersecurity certification, you can prove your skills and improve your career opportunities. 5. Software development. Software developers are more in demand than ever. If you learn this skill, you can create your own apps and websites or work in a software company. Software developers develop and program software applications and websites. There are various programming languages, for example Java, Python, and JavaScript. Software developers work in all sectors, for example in IT, finance, and healthcare. The demand for software developers is high and will continue to rise in the coming years. You can learn your skills and launch your career with a software development apprenticeship. 6. User experience, UX, design. In a world where user-friendliness is crucial, UX designers are more in demand than ever. If you learn this skill, you can ensure that products and services are easy and intuitive to use. UX designers create the user interface of products and services. They take into account the needs and expectations of users. UX design is an important factor in the success of products and services. There are various ways to learn UX design, such as online courses, boot camps and degree programs. UX designers are in demand in all industries, for example in IT, finance and healthcare. With UX design training, you can learn your skills and launch your career. 7. Digital marketing. In the digital world, marketing is more important than ever. If you know about digital marketing, you can help companies reach their target audience online. Digital marketing includes various channels, for example search engine marketing, SEO, social media marketing and content marketing. Digital marketing is an effective way to attract new customers and increase sales. There are various ways to learn digital marketing, such as online courses, boot camps and certification programs. Digital marketing experts are in demand in all industries, for example in IT, retail and tourism. With a digital marketing certification, you can prove your skills and improve your career opportunities. 8. Project management. In today's complex world, project managers are essential. By learning this skill, you can ensure that projects are completed on time and on budget. Project managers plan, organize and lead projects. They coordinate the work of teams and ensure that all goals are achieved. Project management is in demand in all sectors, for example in IT, construction and the automotive industry. There are various ways to learn project management, such as online courses, boot camps and certification programs. With a project management certification, you can prove your skills and improve your career opportunities. 9. Communication and soft skills. Good communication and soft skills are important in any industry. If you master these skills, you will be successful in any job. Good communication means that you can articulate your thoughts and ideas clearly and concisely. Soft skills include, for example, teamwork, problem solving and empathy. Soft skills are important in all jobs, regardless of the industry. There are various ways to improve your soft skills, for example through training, coaching and mentoring. With good soft skills, you can improve your career opportunities and be more successful. 10. Entrepreneurship. The global economy is changing and more people are starting their own businesses. If you learn this skill, you can be your own boss and realize your own ideas. Entrepreneurship means that you take the initiative and take risks. It requires creativity, determination and perseverance. There are various ways to learn entrepreneurship, for example through online courses, boot camps and incubators. Entrepreneurship can be very rewarding, but it also comes with challenges. With the right attitude and skills, you can succeed as an entrepreneur. Conclusion: these are just some of the best skills you can learn in 2024. Knowing these skills will help you shine in the future of work. Which skill do you want to learn in 2024? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more career, business and success videos. See you next time.